trying to go north now. Alright, bye. He's nowhere near it. I think he's still far. He's still over in Wilmington.
Who, Dan?
Yeah, he's nowhere near it. Oh my god. We gotta go north.
Large destructive tornado on the ground.
I hope everyone's alright, dude. I keep praying. Seriously. That is unbelievable.
Very large.
It is on the ground right now. That could possibly be EF4, EF5 damage right there if that's on the ground. That is a large destructive tornado. This is his. It's on the fucking ground. Oh my god, that's like a mile-wide tornado.
Oh my dear lord.
Call Dan.